when I first came to the Cretaceous era, I experienced fright and terror. Hey-oh, aha! Hey, 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 hey-oh!
Now listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you wanna be a villain member,
Looking out a dirty old window, down below the cars in the city go rushing by.
you have to chase a superhero on the run. Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. No, don't touch that.
I couldn't have enough. Okay, one more. I'm gonna have one more, and then that'll be it. Judy, well, you came and you baked me some cookies, and then I met a friend who helped me to survive. His blood is warm, his young are born alive. Hey, oh, aha! Hey. Your mom?